सपनों को बस्ते में रख कर चले हम, उम्मीदों के पथ पर घर से चले हम। सपनों को बस्ते में रख कर चले हम, उम्मीदों के पथ पर घर से चले हम। स्कूल 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 चले हम, स्कूल 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 चले हम, स्कूल 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 चले हम, स्कूल 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 चले हम।
A very good morning to you all, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and dear children. A very happy Teachers' Day to you all. First of all, I would like to thank you all for your wishes in the form of greeting cards, messages and videos. Thank you very much. Today I would like to tell you about this special day dedicated to teachers. It is said that true teachers are those who help us to think. We are what we are because of our teachers. They lead us on the path of discovery and progress by imparting knowledge and values. Teachers' Day is celebrated with enthusiasm across the country on September 5. Did you know? It was India's first philosopher president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnanji's birthday, that came to be celebrated as Teachers' Day. The first ever Teachers' Day was celebrated in the year 1962 when Radhakrishnanji assumed as president of the country. It is said that when his students expressed their wish to celebrate his birthday on September 5, he humbly said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5 is observed as Teachers' Day." Since then, his birthday, September 5, has been celebrated as Teachers' Day in recognition of the remarkable contribution of teachers to the society. Radhakrishnanji's life is a proof that nothing could stand in the way of acquiring knowledge. He was born in a middle class family. Throughout his life he gained scholarship because of his academics. He pursued philosophy at Madras Christian College, then master's degree. Then he became a teacher, then a professor. After that, he served as Vice Chancellor of Andhra University, Mysore University. After that, he became the Chancellor of Delhi University. He delivered lectures at International University and wrote many books on Indian philosophy. Radhakrishnanji was the first Vice President of India who served twice as Vice President from 1952 to 1962 and second President of India. So he served for 10 years. Now dear children, teachers are not only necessary those who teach in schools. Everyone around us teaches something or other. The greatest of all teachers is life, that teaches us the art of survival. Parents are our primemost teachers. Our friends, nature, animals, our mistakes also, they are the teacher. Everything is a teacher in some form or the other. Today is the day to honor all of them. So I take privilege in wishing all our mentors in the school and across the country a very happy Teachers' Day. Really, teachers are a blessing in disguise. They are the guiding light that patterns our lives all through. Teaching is actually a way of life and not just a profession. So we are fortunate to have been blessed with such wonderful teachers in both primary and secondary section, who are always up for grooming the students into the finest individuals. We pray for their well-being and success and shower immense respect today and always. Thank you very much, children. Have a great day.
आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय, प्रधान अध्यापक महोदय एवं सभी शिक्षक शिक्षिकाएं, आज सबसे पहले मैं शिक्षक दिवस की बधाई सभी लोगों को देती हूँ तथा सभी शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं का अभिनंदन करती हूँ। जीवन में शिक्षक का बहुत महत्वपूर्ण स्थान होता है। सबसे पहले परिवार में माता पिता, बड़े भाई बहन, दादा दादी से हम कुछ सीखते हैं। उसके बाद स्कूल में शिक्षक और पास पड़ोस के समाज के लोगों से हमें सीखने को मिलता है। ये सभी हमें कुछ न कुछ सिखाते हैं, तो ये सब हमारे शिक्षक हैं। जैसे कुम्हार ऊपर से थाप लगाकर मिट्टी की मूर्ति या बर्तन बनाता है, उसी प्रकार शिक्षक भी हमारी बुराइयों या कमियों को दूर कर हमें अच्छाइयाँ भर देता है, एक अच्छा इंसान बना देता है। इसीलिए शिक्षक के महत्व को जानते हुए सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन ने अपने जन्मदिन को शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में मनाना शुरू किया। तभी से 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस मनाया जाता है। आइए हम सभी अपने शिक्षकों को नमन करें। हे शिक्षक, तुमको शतवार नमन, शतवार तुम्ही हो पूजनीय। प्रत्येक व्यक्ति के द्वारा तुम हो सम्मान्य, हो अतुलनीय। धन्यवाद।
Saraswati Rakesh Mode. Today I am going to speak on Teachers' Day. Good morning to all our teachers. Today we are going to celebrate Teachers' Day. I would like to thank every teacher who has been our guiding us. You have not only taught us the new way to learn, but also thank you for
उम्मीदों के पथ पर घर से चले हम।
Namaste everybody. I am Srishti Suryanshi from class 3rd A, school Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2, FS Pune. Today we are going to celebrate Teachers' Day. I am going to say a short speech about Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was born on 5 September 1888. He was a great philosopher, educationist, author and second president of India. He was more loved for teacher than a president. So on request from his students, he accepted to celebrate his birthday as Teachers' Day. He has written many books honoring Hinduism. He is one of the founders of Helpesh India, which he received knighthood, Bharat Ratna Award and was also nominated for Nobel Prize. He will live in the hearts of students and will be an inspiration for every teacher forever. He died on 17 April 1975 due to heart failure. So be happy and salute all the teachers. Thank you.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Brahma Brahma, Tasmai Se Guruve Namaha. सुप्रभात। आज टीचर्स डे के शुभ
सारी टीचर्स को बधाइयाँ देता हूँ। मेरी सारी टीचर्स मुझे मतलब कि हम सबको बहुत प्यार करती है और हमको पढ़ाई के साथ साथ एक्टिविटी में उत्सुक भी करती है और हमको पढ़ाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करती है। उसके लिए मैं थैंक यू बोलता हूँ और मैं अपने दिल से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि मेरी सारी टीचर सेफ रहे और हेल्दी रहे। धन्यवाद। Once again, Happy Teachers Day.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, my name is Nandita. Today I am going to say a speech about Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on September 5th. It's the birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan. He was a great teacher and a great president. All the schools celebrate Teachers Day every year. Children give cards, gifts to their favorite teacher. Teachers are like our parents, friends, and our guide. A big thank you to all our best teachers. Happy Teachers Day.
Good morning. Today I, Sarthak Deshmukh of class 3rd A, going to express my views about Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great person. He was born on 5 September 1888 in Madras in a very poor Brahmin family. He became the first vice president of country and second president of Free India. He also a philosopher, a teacher and an author. Dr. Radhakrishnan was awarded by Bharat Ratna in 1954. Due to his contribution to education, his birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India every year. Thank you.
Did everything to make your class fun and exciting. I learned so much from you. Thank you for helping me to be a better person. We don't know how to thank you. We don't know what to say you. But all the work you have done, we will remember you forever. We will fondly remember my dear teachers. You are the key to my success.
आशाओं के बादल छाए, कोई उम्मीद है ये जिंदगी रे।
एक धरती का आंचल ओढ़े, दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े, बांटे जहां में अपनी खुशी रे।
प्रीत की रीत सिखाते हुए आते हैं पर्दों पे हम।
दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए, आ जाओ मिलके हम तुम ये कहें।
अब स्टार्ट। आपको झुकना बेटो।
আমায় দেখে মুক্তি হাসে, নয়নি এলো ঝুললো কোথায় আপন দেশে। ঝুলে 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 ঝুলে। শুকনো ডালে সব পাখিরা দেখে বলে, উল্লাগরে উত্তাদে গায়ের ছেলে এলে দুলে ঝুলে 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 ঝুলে। প্রেম ভাবনায় পিতার হাতে পূর্ণিমারে ঝুমরাতে তোমায় ভেবে মন্দে আমার ঝুলে 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 ঝুলে। নদীর ওই ডাঙার পাশে, নদীর ওই ডাঙার পাশে আমায় দেখে মুক্তি হাসে, নয়নে এলো ঝুললো কোথায় আপন দেশে। ঝুলে 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 ঝুলে
दूसरा नहीं, इसे खाना खाना कुछ मतलब कुछ स्ट्रेस करके शुरू किया।
हाँ, कुछ करके तो कैसा मैडम ठीक बोल रही है।
इसका तो हाथ कांपता है।
नहीं कांपता है मैडम, ये पकड़ रहे थे ना पीछे का ये है बस।
ठीक है देखो। अरे बंद करो ना।
मांडे आ लेती
teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to present before you a musical piece on my keyboard. The song is We Shall Overcome. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in our heart, we do believe that we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in our heart, we do believe that we shall live in peace someday. We will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in our heart, we do believe that we will walk hand in hand someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in our heart, we do believe that we are not afraid today. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Navjisha Kaur. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurve Namaha. Happy Teachers Day to all my respective teachers. Thank you. Teacher, teacher, where are you? Teacher, teacher, where are you? I made a card just for you. I made a card just for you. Pretty flowers red and blue. Pretty flowers red and blue. To thank you for all you do. To thank you for all you do. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you.
Start.
भारत में 5 सितंबर को टीचर डे मनाया जाता है। भारत के राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर एस राधाकृष्णन के जन्मदिन को हम टीचर डे मनाते हैं। टीचर हमें पढ़ना लिखना सिखाती है। हमें अपने टीचर का सम्मान करना चाहिए। बाय। हैप्पी टीचर डे।
Start.
Hi friends, here is Guru Vandana. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guru Dev Brahma. Dear teacher, wish you very happy Teachers Day. Thank you for teaching and guiding us. You are shape our mind and life. You are real superheroes. Today I will show my Kathak dance. Ta, thai, tat, tat, thai. Ta, thai, tat, tat, thai. Tat, tat, tum, tum, tita, titi, thai. Tat, tat, tum, tum, tita, titi, thai. Tat, tat, tum, tum, tita, titi, thai. Tita, titi, thai, tita, titi, thai, tita, titi, thai. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Prathamesh Marne of class 2nd C Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Air Force Station Pune. Respected Principal Sir, my best teacher Alka ma'am and my dear friends, wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. As we know that due to present pandemic situation of coronavirus, we all are unable to meet together to celebrate Teachers Day at school. So today we all celebrate this day at home. This day is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was second President of India. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a teacher, and he became President of India in 1962 on request of students. He was a great scholar student and a great educator. All students of our country celebrate this day to pay respect to teachers. It is truly said that teachers are best of our country. Dear friends, we should always obey our teachers' order and follow their advice to be the good citizen of India. Thank you. टीचर होती एक परी, सिखाती हमको चीज नई, कभी सुनाती एक कविता, कभी सुनाती एक कहानी, करे कभी जो हम शैतानी, कान पकड़े याद आए नानी, अच्छे काम पे मिले शाबाशी, टीचर बनाए हमें आत्मविश्वासी। टीचर होती एक परी, सिखाती हमको चीज नई। हैप्पी टीचर डे। मेरा नाम सुवान समित कुमार है।
दिवस के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः। प्राचार्य महोदय, शिक्षकगण तथा प्यारे साथियों, भारत में 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस मनाया जाता है। 5 सितंबर को एक महान शिक्षक का जन्म हुआ था जिसका नाम है सर्वपल्ली डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन। उनकी याद में 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस मनाया जाता है। माता पिता बच्चे को जन्म देते हैं, लेकिन बच्चे के जीवन को सही दिशा एक शिक्षक ही दिखाता है। देश को एक अच्छा नागरिक शिक्षक ही प्रदान करता है। हमें शिक्षकों का सम्मान करना चाहिए। जय भारत, जय शिक्षक दिवस, जय हिंद। बाय बाय।